Finally, after many months, we're going to attach the chassis back to the car. You can see we're pretty close right now. We're just not quite there. Touchdown, mistress! All we gotta do now is go around and get them all lined up properly. Sounds like fun, doesn't it?
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Well, then I gotta find a board to put right here. Go use that a little too. It's actually pretty stinking close. But I think I did sit down on top of this. I did. Son of a bitch. Not really sure how I'm going to cure that. I gotta move that strap up and out of the way somehow. It will make you nervous. You'll be a nervous pervus. Gotta find a better place to put that.
How about on the outside one?
Yeah. I'm gonna do one, I'm gonna have to do both, right? Engine hoist. Also works to lift bodies. If you got dead bodies lying around, go get one. Not sure how well that'll hold. That doesn't look all that stable. I think that might have been why this thing was way further extended than what I saw it as just now. You stay. Body rocking, maybe that's what they meant by that.
Pretty sure.
Alright, be good, be kind, be nice, lift perfectly. You didn't lift perfectly. And I know exactly why. See if I can get this side out after we're done with this here. So I get the block out of there now. This is where multi-talented would come into play. Whoa! I think I better start a couple of bolts before we get too far. I'm sure the rear end's going to have to be aligned. Oh yeah.
How much?
About that much.
A mile?
Talking about these tiny clearances that might as well be. Oh, that nasty ass, quote unquote, lubricant. I can hear the boys screaming at you.
Mm-hmm.
Bark! Bark, bark! Bark, 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 bark! Like little doggies. Get along, little doggies, get along. Oh crap, where'd that one go?
What?
Alrighty then. Not sure exactly what I want to do here, but let's do it.
Mom, Mom, Mom. That's G-Man. All right, get down.
Yeah, it'll fit through without fighting it, hopefully. Yes, this would be a comic routine if I wasn't so stupid. Now there's a broom around here somewhere. I saw it and I stepped on it a few times. Not the big one either. Yeah! Maybe just my broom this time, woman.
I didn't do nothing with it. You rode away on it.
See? I went and moved it on me right where I can find it. Okay. Since I want to lay there, I don't want to lay on the dirt.
Sure you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Hey, wonderful. I really don't want to get underneath the car either.
Yeah, at least she's nice to you.
Yeah, I'm like this stupid 4-letter F word.
Don't forget the washers are behind you.
I don't want them yet. Oh, crap. Really? Tell me this isn't how you designed this, GM.
That's how they designed it.
What a dumbass. Oh, man. Oh, this sucks.
Did you lose it already?
Yeah. I got it in there, but I lost it as soon as I did it. Of course, I can't see in there either. Ow. Beat the hell out of myself. Why not? You're still recording?
Yep.
Shoot.
Why not?
Because I need a flashlight, that's why.
Yeah. Here's the green flashlight.
I don't know.
It was up there, but now it's not.
I'm sure I used it for something.
There it is.
I'm sure this would be vastly easier with a proper garage. What the hell? I pushed it in there and it just flat out disappeared. see it. I have no idea where the heck it went other than inside of the frame. Down there, you can see on the hill. You need help.
Let me stop recording then.
Yeah. Oh, you. Man. I love that little spot right there. Unfortunately, I don't, because that makes it almost impossible for me to put it where I need it. Oh, come on. Very good to me. Uh-huh. Mistress is fighting. She's fighting.
I think it's fighting of excitement 'cause she's getting back together.
Could be. I cleaned all the dirt out of this damn thing. How did that wind up all dirty?
Okay, I need to shut the door so Bill does come out. Go in. Do what? What do you think of the car so far?
Huh?
I'm asking Gregory what he thinks of the car so far. Finally starting to get back together, huh? No, stay up there.
Can you give me a pump or two up?
Video.
Well, we got the chassis mounted. Enough bolts in it to be good for now. We'll put the rest in tomorrow. And now we're lowering it to its resting place for the next couple of months. Whoop whoop! The beast is no longer in the air. It's back down where it belongs!
On the frame.
And on the frame. It's going to be fun getting those two middle ones in though, because I got to buy either longer bolts or somehow get that chassis to do a little twisting action to get up in there. But overall, I'm pleased. I got done what I needed to get done, and now before we put the engine in or anything like that, we're going to take the heater box off, all the crap off the front. It's all coming off. That whole front end's going to get painted after the windshield's out. Dash is going to be out. Everything's going to be out. And haven't decided yet if we're going to take it in for paint or if we're going to have our own little paint booth right here. But whatever the case, we're back on track.